Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying a few essentials: an active Spotify account, the Alexa app installed, and your Echo on the same Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app now because action beats planning. Once the app is open, tap More, then Settings, then Music and Podcasts. This path takes you straight to music services. Make sure you're signed into Amazon. This links subscriptions and skills. You're doing the setup to let Alexa control Spotify by voice, so don't skip these steps. Now you link accounts. In Music and Podcasts, pick Add Service and choose Spotify. Once selected, tap Enable to use. When prompted, sign into your Spotify account and grant Alexa permission to control playback. This authorization is what lets Alexa search your library and playlists. After linking, go to Default Services and set Spotify as the default music provider, so you won't need to say on Spotify. Once done, test a simple command like Play Discover Weekly to confirm the connection. Finally, test playback with a clear voice command. Alexa, play song or playlist on Spotify. If Alexa won't play, first confirm the Spotify account remains linked inside the Alexa app and that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. If permissions changed, reauthorize Spotify. When problems persist, relink the service or reboot the Echo. PowerCycle fixes many network glitches. Also clear the Alexa or Spotify app cache on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.